Hey there, today I have another Wantable box to unbox. If you're not familiar with Wantable, it is another one of those online styling services very similar to Stitch Fix. I'll put some information in the description box below as to how the service works along with my Referral link, and also I'll put a card up above to one of my earlier videos where I take more time to explain how the service works. But for today, we're just going to dive right in and unbox this thing. And I just have to say, my first impression of this box is it's really heavy for the fact that it's just a very compact box. So I'm very interested to see what I got today. Okay, so with Wantable, they do send 7 items, which is more than Stitch Fix, and you just have to keep 5 to get 20% off. And they also give you 5 days versus 3 days to try everything on. So, okay, here's the inside of the box. And they always have this little card that says, "A better wardrobe starts here," with an explanation on the back as to how the service works. And then here's my bundle, which is very big, like I said. And oops, here it is. Ooh, there's a bag in here. That's nice. And it's a red bag. I'm kind of getting into red lately. And so I have my statement, and there is a note. It's a little longer than my last note, which was 1 sentence last time. So this one says, "Hi Tisha, I was able to include several of your requests from the stream, and that is one thing that Wantable has that the other services don't. They have what's called the stream, and you'll see all these items that'll come up, and you can either request or decline them." Okay, so let's see what I got. And I think a lot of these do look familiar, so I think I did request them on the stream. We'll see. Okay, and there is a prepaid mailer, and this is USPS. Ooh, and the first item is the purse. Ooh, this is really cute. I like this. And it's kind of small, but it is cute. And this is the Ava Crossbody bag in the color red. And this is $58. So $58 for this cute bag, and that's not a bad price. I can tell it's probably not leather. And here's what the inside looks like. It's got a compartment probably for your cell phone and a little zippered pocket, and you can make it a little wider. So yeah, I think this is cute. I'll see what fits in here, but not bad. And I think that was on the stream. And the next item, yeah, I think this was on the stream also. Yeah, I don't know. This is a dress. It's by Molly Bracken, size medium, and it's $78. It's a striped, it has kind of a mesh overlay, and under it's got like a white lining. So not bad. I think this is cute. We'll give it a try. Second next. Okay, this is cute. It's a top, and it's by Moon and Sky, size medium. It's just got a nice kind of like a crochet neckline, and also some interesting different kind of fabric along the side. It's just a maroon color. This is the sleeveless crochet lace top in wine, and it's $58. Next, it's a kimono, and I do have a kimono that I got from Stitch Fix last month that I really like. This one is the velvet floral kimono in ivory. It's one size, and it's by the brand Woven Heart. And you can see that it's kind of sheer, and it's got like this flocking. And it's only $48. I think that's not a bad price. Yeah, we'll see. I'm pretty sure this is going to be a no, but we'll try it on. Okay, next, here's the t-shirt that she talked about. Oh, it's very soft. It's got a deep V in the front and the back, and it's by their own brand, Wantable, and it's a nice ribbed material, and it's gray heather. $44, and it's a short sleeved ribbed double V-neck. So yeah, I'll give it a try. Next is a pair of jeans, and these are by Meritage, which is a brand I've never tried. And I can tell they're nice and cropped. Size 28. Oh, these are those jeans that have like the stripe on the side, sort of. You know, like where with the fading, so they're darker on the side. So I think this wash can be very flattering. I've never tried any jeans like this before. And these are the super skinny ankle Lexington jeans. and they are $88. Ooh, these are a little pricey, but I'll give them a try. Okay, and lastly, okay, it's a pair of shorts. Oh, these are cute. And these are by Sanctuary, and size 28. They're the Wanderer Short in Desert Sand, and they're $69. $69 for these. So they have like this cuff with a tab, and they have pockets in the back, and it says Sanctuary, and these kind of pockets in the front. So, okay, yeah, cute, standard shorts. I don't know, for me, I don't like to spend a lot of money on shorts though. Okay, so that was everything I got in my Wantable box this month, and I think they sent me some pretty cute things. So I'm gonna go ahead now and try everything on, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here is the dress, and it's okay. It's okay, but yeah, I don't really. It's fully lined. It's got kind of an interesting striped, and I think it's well sewn because the stripes pretty much match up, which is nice. And the length is good, so it's just about above the knee. And then here's the purse, and it is just a cute red purse, and I'll show you up close. So I'm not going to take the plastic off, but let's just see how it looks with this dress. Not sure if that looks good, but it is cute. I like it. But okay, so here are the top, the maroon top, and this is really big. It must run big because this is a size medium. It kind of feels like a large, but it is cute. It has like this interesting detail around the neckline and this little insert here. Pretty, and I like the color. It's kind of more of a fall color. It's nice and flowy. I think it's flattering. It feels soft, but yeah, it's just huge, too big. And then I'm wearing the jeans, like more of a mid-rise, and you see how it's kind of cool. There's the darker wash going down the sides, and so I think that is kind of slimming. It is a little bit long. I'd say it's probably 3 or 4 inches too long for me, even though it's ankle length, but since I'm short. Here is the kimono. It's cute. It's very long, so it goes past the knees. It's kind of sheer, and it has a very interesting flocked design, floral. Just totally not my style. I would never wear this actually, but I appreciate trying something different on. But yeah, that's the kimono. Okay, so here is the last outfit. So I've got the basic gray tee, and it's a nice tee. It's a good quality. I like that it's ribbed. It's a little bit low for me, honestly. I think she did size down though. And it does have kind of a deep V in the back also. But yeah, it fits, and it's not too clingy or anything, so that doesn't show the muffin top. And yeah, and then here's the shorts, and these are cute. I mean, they're all right. They fit nicely, and yeah, not bad. Okay, so that was everything I got in this month's Wantable box. And actually, I don't do Wantable every month. Of all the subscription boxes, I think this is my no, actually, I take that back. It's one of my least favorites, but to be honest, I've actually found some really nice things. And price-wise, I say, you know, it is on the high side. It is comparable, I would say, to Stitch Fix and Trendsend. And the quality, I do feel for the most part seems pretty good. Out of this box though, I'm not really sure what I'm gonna keep. I do want to at least keep one thing so I'm not out my $20. I'm thinking of maybe this purse. This is cute. It's a little on the small side, so we'll see. Yeah. So there was that. And the other thing I kind of like, I mean, the t-shirt was okay, but for me, I like to get what I consider special items from these boxes, or else I could just go to like Target and get a t-shirt. I did really like these jeans. They were a little long for me, so I'd probably have to get them hemmed, but I did like, and I've seen it on trend that a lot of other YouTubers have these now. I think I saw Kelly Schaffner She was searching for a pair of jeans like these and she finally got some. Yay, Kelly. So I'm thinking maybe of keeping these, but they are $88. Of course, that's my $20 styling fee. They'd be $68, so it makes it a little bit better, although it's still my money. So anyway, but that's all I have for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of unboxing videos and also some shopping hauls. So if you enjoy those kind of videos, please consider subscribing and I'll see you next time. Bye now.